it's Ivy. Welcome back to a new video. I kind of promised you I'll be back, so here I am keeping my kinda promise. Today I wanted to film a makeup look. I'm gonna use the Ordinary Colors Serum Foundation. I love this foundation. It's super lightweight, but it actually covers. Put like that much. Put it around my face. I would use a puff, but I don't know where it is, and I'm too lazy to find it right now. So this will do the job. So to blend it out, I'm going to use the Luxie 660. This is a precise foundation brush. And I'm just going to not make it streaky and blotchy and pat it in. See, look at that. It doesn't cover that much, but I mean, it covers the bare minimum. And to be fair, my skin's like fucked up too, so. For concealer, I use the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. This is by Kokie. I was going to call Kokie Professional. I just like to apply 3 little swoops like that under my eyes. And anywhere else I kind of need it, so like to spot conceal these places. Same thing, I'm going to use the same brush and just dab it and blend it in. So I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty. This is the wow, can I say that word? Coral Obsessions palette. I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag. Love it, honestly. Look at these colors. Amazing, I know. This is like their new like magnetic line. It's really cheap. It was like $10 at Sephora, so I recommend y'all get. But I'm going to start off with the middle shade. This is like a peachy kind of taupe color. And I'm just going to mainly focus this on the crease, but also a little bit on the upper eyelid portion of it. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right across. It's this light brown color, and I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. You get this in any of the Modern Renaissance or like Subculture palettes. So I'm going to dip it in here. And same thing, focus it more on the middle this time instead of the outer crease to create kind of like that nice transition shade. Next, I'm going to go with the short shading brush. This is by Farrah, I believe Farrah Cosmetics. I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag as well. As you can tell, I love Ipsy. I'm going to go in with this yellow shade. Recently, I've been loving these kind of yellows, and they're also trending right now, which I am living for. I'm just going to take this and apply it, mainly focusing it on my inner corner and the front portion of my eyelid. I'm going to take this other Farrah brush. This is the large shading brush. And then I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's this peachy color, coral peach. And then I'm going to mainly focus this on my outer V. So I'm going to tap it first and then slowly start blending it upwards. Next, I'm going to go in with the other side of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to take this Barbie pink-esque color. And then I'm going to pop this right on the middle of my eyelid. Take the other side and just slowly start out. And then slowly start blending it out. So we don't have that harsh line. So this kind of acts as like a winged eyeliner effect. And then you're just going to lightly wing it out as well. Now for a little bit more dimension, I'm going to go back in with the yellow and then just do it again. This concealer brush, but I don't use it as a concealer brush. It's a very big blending brush for me. And I'm going to go back in with that shade just very lightly and then just go over the same color and just blend it. Okay, we're back. We finished both of the eyes. This is what they look like. Next for the, I'm actually gonna line my underline with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal. This is in Junk Show. Set our face. I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me powder. This is in 130 Buff Beige, my ultimate favorite. This one so much. It mattifies, it does its job. It's the best drugstore powder I have ever tried. Better than the Rimmel London. Come at me. After setting, I'm gonna go in with this blush. This is the blush Skinny Dip. This is by Finding Ferdinand. Finding Ferdinand. Frank angled blush brush. Dip it maybe 3 times, and then apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Generously, you know, I'm not gonna be stingy about it. Straight to highlight. This is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. This is Star Island. Look how big this is. I got it as my Ipsy Glam bag. It is huge. And then apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Look at that glow. Oh my goodness, bitch, you wish you had this. Gonna fill in my eyebrows. You already know what I love. Benefit, goof proof. I'm just gonna speed this up because you already know the process, how it goes, right? So, see you in like 10 seconds. So, the brows are done. Of course, we're gonna set them. You already know, Maybelline Brow Drama Mascara. I literally don't use anything else because I think this is like way better. I mean, it's not as, actually no, it makes them stay really well, but I haven't tried the Gimme Brow, but, actually no, I did try the Gimme Brow. I liked it, but I always come back to this drugstore one because it's so good. Just to add a little shine to my inner corner, I'm going to take the Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. I raved about this in my February favorites. And I'm just going to go in lightly, just the tiniest bit, just dab it to the inner corner of my eye. That was it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and again, I will see you all in my next video. Kisses! Bye!